Hi you guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be telling you my thoughts on the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'll also be showing you how I contour, how I conceal my face, and everything like that, so stay tuned for that. So as you guys seen in the beginning, I was using 340, and that's in the color Cappuccino. I did get the matte poreless one, like I said in the beginning. It actually looks like a cool tone on my skin. If I went a shade up, it was too light. If I went a shade down, it was too dark. So I'm stuck with this color right here. This foundation is supposed to be a full coverage. I did just put one layer on, and this is what it looks like. I definitely believe that this is one of the products that you have to build up. So a con about this foundation is that it's not full coverage, but it comes in wide varieties, so that's a pro. I'm definitely going to be adding another layer because I really want it to be full. I believe it's more medium to full coverage instead. Right here I'm going in with Cheek Concealer, and I'm going to do like a ripple effect. I always do the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. I just started doing my forehead, and now I'm doing my nose. I went in with the e.l.f. in the lightest color because I'm going to brighten up the concealer. So right now I'm just blending that out. When you're blending your concealer, make sure that you blend it so that you're not looking like you have patches on your face. Right now I'm going in with Airspun, and I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and just brush the Airspun along where I put the concealer at, and that excess I'm just going to wipe it on my face. Now I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I do not like to use like a dark brown color to contour. I love to use reds to warm up my face when I'm using this foundation or any other one, because this is more cool tone and I want my face to look warm and reddish, so that's why I'm using these red colors. I like to go over my nose right there in that spot to make it look pokey. I don't know why I like that look, but I like the way it makes my nose look. Right now I'm going in with the e.l.f. highlighter in the color Apricot Glow, and I think I'm going to be extra with the highlighter today. I'm going back in with the Apricot Glow just to give me some highlight in my tear duct, and I'm going to put it on my brow bone as well. Now I'm taking a red color. It doesn't have a name on it, so I don't know the name, but I thought it was way too red, so I'm going to just put some eyeshadow on it. Brown in Facts from the BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm just going to pat that all over my lips. And here's my finished look. Thank you guys for watching.